Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete one picture from multiple picture on Instagram post. So to do this, you first need to open the Instagram application. Also make sure that you've also updated the application to the latest version. And now then what you need is here, click on the profile at the bottom of the page and you'll be taken to the menu section or the profile page. So right on this page, I have a photo that has a multiple picture. Let's see, I have these pictures. Now, if I want to remove a single photo from here, now let's see, I want to go ahead and remove this picture, all right? Then all I need is click on the three dot icon at the top right, go to the edit section, and there you could see a mini bin icon. Now it is quite difficult to be visible, but then here at the bottom of the page you could see, just click the bin icon, confirm it, and that is going to be deleted from your multiple post. So this is how you could delete one photo from multiple picture on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.